we have another project. As you can see, I have not recorded anything. I just started pulling it out. So I am replacing the window slider up and down. Nothing, I say nothing, but this was popped out. I popped that back in. The window just wasn't sealing correctly on the weather stripping, so every time the door was shut, I would roll it down, then roll it up, and then there would be, I don't know, yay big gap, essentially letting water and everything in. And the only way I could fix that at the time was to open the door and then pull up on this side. And so I guess potentially these were either out of alignment. I did try to mess with them, but it wasn't hitting the stop that this is intended to hit once the window and everything is all on. Which I've had the new one for a while, and I just haven't had enough motivation to do it. So this is just, I guess, a little me showing you what I'm doing. So taking this one out, you just have the motor here, bolts there, and then one right under here, all 10 mils. You do have to take the speaker out, and then obviously the door panel off. And then to start, I accidentally took this one all the way out, and then the window fell in there. Luckily, nothing was damaged on it. Granted, it's already all dirty, and more concerned about just it not shattering. And then pretty much you have also a zip tie that you push out that holds the two wires together. Kind of see it in there. And then the only real trick so far is making sure it's orientated right going back in. And then probably the issue I'm going to have now is putting the glass in and then trying to align it. So once I get to that point, I'll pick back up. And we have finally, after struggling a little while, got it in the position, obviously halfway down, but when it seals up, it is perfect seal. It's a little tight, which I'll just leave it. And I don't know, so if you're doing this, I didn't touch these adjusters at all. I only went off this, and little by little I moved the glass up and the bolt all the way up to get my height, because before I just did it a hair above middle. I can't see that side, that's already on. But doing that, it raised it just enough so it had enough gap. Here, I'll just show you. Reach over. Yeah, and I know my tint it's time for new tint. It's all coming off, even on the back. But just with that, all the way up, it seals pretty good just doing that. And then there's no more hole. I probably eventually need new weather stripping, but other than that, that's pretty much super easy. And then there's a whole bunch of other different adjustment points, from this to the one under the door. There's a little rubber piece you can pop out and adjust it. But now all that needs to be done is the door panel is going to go back on, and then we should be done. And then we might go for a quick rip, or we'll just be lazy and go crawl in bed.